Do you like pizza, beer, and great coffee?
Not to mention one of the city's best rooftop patios to enjoy it on. All that and more on today's episode. So Adam, I've lived in condos, you've lived in condos. What are some of the things you loved about that lifestyle?
That's right, Scotty. The beauty of condo living is truly the maintenance-free, carefree lifestyle that it presents. Monday to Friday especially, you don't have to worry about coming home from work or mowing any lawns or shoveling any snow. But for me, it's truly about the weekends and what I have to do around me.
Okay, so humor me, how's the weekend start?
Well, I like to start my Saturday morning nice and early, get up and get a good cup of coffee.
Okay, how's Starbucks walking distance just up the hill here? That's not a bad start.
That would certainly be a great start to any Saturday morning. After that, I gotta take my furry four-legged friend for a walk though. Where can I do that?
How about 14 acres of green space and trail system that are directly beside this condo building? It's simply as good as it gets for the four-legged friends.
That sounds pretty spectacular. I think after all that walking though, I'm gonna have worked up a hunger, maybe even a thirst.
How about Beer Town, walking distance, leave the car at home, enjoy a couple of cold brews over there? That's my kind of afternoon.
Now you're speaking my language. Okay, well, it sounds like we got most of the day planned, but it's Saturday evening here. I like to entertain. What do you got for me?
Well, it is a condo, and although it's spacious, we've also got one of the city's largest rooftop patios. Now, it's just not enough to get that view from the patio. How about one of the city's best pizza joints, Coachelli's, right across the street? Grab a couple of pies, hit the rooftop with your friends. They're never gonna wanna leave.
Doesn't sound like it gets much better than that, Scotty. Let's get inside and have a look at our newest listing.
From the moment you walk through the door of this suite, there's so much we know you're gonna love. It starts with this open concept design. It allows you to see your spectacular view from the moment you walk through the door, and there's lots more to come on that later. From there, you see the finish level. It's spectacular. Laminate and tile floor throughout that gives us an incredible cohesive feel. 9-foot ceilings filled with pot lights, and then you've got the heart of the home, the kitchen. You got quartz countertops, undermount sink, a spectacular stainless steel appliance package, plus a tile backsplash. Then we move on to the layout. It's incredibly functional. They've utilized every square foot of this 1,158 square foot unit. Come see for yourself.
Now we all know and love condo living for its maintenance-free turnkey lifestyle, but for me the true perfection is when you can find a condo that makes sure that you don't have to sacrifice on those big must-haves, especially if you're downsizing from a home. Well, this one does exactly that. As Scotty mentioned, the square footage here is absolutely tremendous, but the floor plan is what makes it perfect. It's a split 2-bedroom floor plan where each bedroom is large enough to double not only as a bedroom, but a den, as you can see in behind me. Plus you have 2 spectacular bathrooms and a huge walk-in closet. Now, Scotty, over the course of the last 25 years of friendship, we found ourselves on more than a few patios. Tell me what you're liking about this one.
That's an understatement, that's for sure. But for me, it's the sheer size of this one that gets me excited right out of the gate. Dining, lounging, you got space for it all. From there, it's the covered aspect. Is it raining? Is it snowing? We don't mind because we're gonna go out and enjoy that outdoor space anyways. From there, you've got the glassed-in railing here, which is spectacular. You're gonna enjoy the amazing view, all the greenery over my shoulder here, all year round, whether you're sitting or standing. And last but certainly not least, you can barbecue out here. That's a must for me when it comes to condo living. This building truly has it all.
That's right, Scott. Not to mention the building is pet friendly, perfect for man's best friend. Sit, Ubu, sit.
Now we are the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Barrie and certainly condos. And for more information on this listing and others, check out our website.